Bia Kamal ka Noor Online TV channel ka jan gwas me bana rwa chikata dana chukuma sa Sudan she TikTok kana Facebook chaka ga ka ja ano te ka job bia kullin gwas me mishalat ten go do badanan ga ke TikTok kana Facebook ka ja raja me mishalat ka gwas e show me dan go rejeno de nyot jo mo de yana len ko do badanan shawra mo shajalat ka ja ngayena no na me shaje nen gwasa me spelling ban Facebook and TikTok in South Sudan. Chan jo je kana kula chan je miling ba ko gorano ba manan to ba janga ci kon bi chula na je e chene me to on ka ku kon manana shore lat gor kon de kon ngaja ngum shore lat you know la power and take kum South Sudan she power mu ga jeno use kana je lo de kana ken de kan ga take they are using it against South Sudan is chan je miling kel okay.
We have the capacity to shut down social media in South Sudan. We have that. And don't dare people. We are the one who are saying don't shut down social media as SPLM. But if we put our hands up, if the social media becomes an anti-SPLM, we will put our hands up and will allow those who have capacity to shut it down to do that. You know, even in the region here, you don't have access to social media the way you have it here in South Sudan. Even Ethiopia here, you don't have it. I'm not even talking about big countries like China. So let us not push the button. Let us not abuse the freedom of speech. It will end up with you by being locked out, and you cannot use any of these social media outlets. You may remain with your phone. So that's what it is.
Go ajan shaling o kwarmadin meshit ke wuda me charaj me chajala no taken care power to shut it down, take a power to restrict it. A kuma dong de advocate jan ka kwi na yanit in la South Sudanese lat ka no they have a power to do anything ena me dioje ala mala di shondre wika South Sudan dioje bejama cha chung cha ja gorno de ran lat na me jen dan sha lat ki sha lingwa da mano ajane tele ye chung mitine gorno gang na ya ka shara ja ko yene to look SPLM look jena shia chung ja kele jeno de ne nyinkundi al deni social media deni gag na me jero idan ikana lat what's your judgment on this miling raja me mini garping gwad mo men let kana men chala de kwere me mugwa wala mi jek mini garping gwad mo ne jinti ka chuong la togre wich ka South Sudan ko bi rach ki ti ka chuong ko bi mandana gujino de naw ga de lar wala tele je chuong anyok bane an mandana gaga social media gag ye ko cha South Sudanese ya kana ka kum Sudan wala mudo dien ka kum South Sudan kana ne ka ko mi na garana chan ka South Sudanese re wika Sudan na me chi chuang chi me de social media de ga ga me ni sharo me ni gar pingwa ma man bi ata kamal ban ji kumre din bye bye